In this video, I would like to introduce you to a non-traditional strategy for finding the common denominator when you're adding two fractions. The Mason box is a strategy for finding least common multiple that may also be used to find least common denominator. The Mason box will help you find the least common denominator quickly and help you find the new numerators quickly. You may wish to watch the video on the Mason box under number theory, where it explains how the Mason box works before watching this video. Example 1, let's take 7/18 plus 5/21. Okay. In this case, 18 and 21 are your denominators. Finding a common denominator could be a little difficult at times. So in this case, what we're going to do is we're going to first draw the Mason box and solve for least common denominator. So we put 18, 21 inside of an open box, find a common divisor, which is 3. Divide 3 into 18 is 6, 3 into 21 is 7. The only thing that divides into 6 and 7 both is 1, so we're done. Now, to find the least common denominator, we're going to multiply 7 times 18 or 6 times 21, which is 126. So 126 is your common denominator. First numerator will be 7 times 7, which is 49, since 7 times 18 was your 126. Second numerator will be 6 times 5 or 30, since 6 times 21 was 126 in the Mason box. Now we add 49 and 30 to get your numerator the answer. Denominator stays 126, and we're done with 79 over 126, which will not simplify. Example 2, let's take 11 24ths plus 13 30ths. Finding a common denominator for 24 30 could be a little difficult. So what we want to do is first draw the Mason box, put 24 30 inside, common denominator would be 2. Then we can divide by 3 again. 3 into 12 is 4, 3 into 15 is 5. The only common divisor of 4 and 5 is 1, so we're done. Now, the least common denominator will be 5 times 24 or 4 times 30, which is 120. So 120 is your common denominator. First numerator, you're going to take 5 times 11, which is 55, since 5 times 24 was your 120 in the Mason box. Second numerator will be 4 times 13, which is 52, because 4 times 30 in the Mason box was your 120. So now we want to add 55 plus 52 is 107 over 120. This will not simplify, so we are done. Example 3, 11 15ths plus 13 18ths. Again, common denominator. Draw the Mason box, put 15, 18 inside. Both are divisible by 3. We get 5 and 6. 5, 6 will not simplify any further, so we multiply diagonals to get the LCD. 6 times 15 or 5 times 18, which is 90. So 90 is your common denominator. First numerator will be 6 times 11, because 6 times 15 was 90 in the Mason box. Second numerator will be 5 times 13, which is 65, since 5 times 18 was 90 in the Mason box. Add 66, 65, get numerator answer, we get 131 over 90. This will simplify. So we take 90 into 131 as ones with 41 left. So this is 1/41/90. Example 4, 7 15ths plus 12 25ths. Common denominator, put 15 25 inside the box, divide by 5, you get 3 5. LCD will be 5 times 15 or 3 times 25, which is 75. So the common denominator is 75. First numerator will be 5 times 7, which is 35. Second numerator will be 3 times 12, which is 36. We add 35, 36, we get 71 75ths. This will not simplify, so we are done. I would like to thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Hopefully it was informative and interesting to you.